Hi everybody, thank you for coming to Storytime. My name is Gina and I'm going to read a book to you today. So today the book we're going to be reading is called Cats Are Liquid, and this is by Rebecca Donnelly. Now, this book has a lot of rhymes in it. Do you guys know what a rhyme is? A rhyme is words that sound the same but they're not the same word. So as I'm reading this, I want you to see if you can find the rhymes in the book, okay? Are you ready? Here we go. Cats fill, cats spill. Do you think fill and spill are a rhyme? Cats flow downhill. Downhill, does that rhyme with fill and spill? Yes, it does. Okay, here we go. Cats tip, cats drip, cats grip, snip, rip. Do you see them ripping everything? The clothes and the curtains. Cats are liquid, except when they're not. Cats slop, cats plop, cats dribble, drizzle, slosh, and flop. Cats rain. Oh my gosh, do you see the kitty in the sink? Looks happy, huh? Cats rain, cats drain, cats train, aim, and maim. Those are all rhymes, aren't they? Cats are liquid, except when they're not. Cats spout, cats drought, cat flash flood drench. Sprout. Ooh, is that kitty getting a bath and then a blow dry? A cat's not a liquid, except when it is. Roll, crest, ripple, fizz. Cats are weather, thunder, zap. Oh my, look at that. Look at all that lightning, electricity. Do you see it in the air? Cats first snow. Ooh, do they look excited? Look, that one's trying to get the snowflakes. Blanket, nap. Do you cuddle with a kitty? Yeah, you can cuddle up with a kitty. Cats are clouds in the atmosphere. Evaporate, precipitate, disappear. Are they all running away? Look at that, they're all running away. The end. That's kind of a fun book, isn't it? Okay, now let's help me with a song, okay? We're gonna sing one little, two little, three little kitties, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna count with my hands, and we're gonna go slow. So you put your hands up like me, and we'll count the kitties, okay? So here we go. One little, two little, three little kitties, four little, five little, six little kitties, seven little, eight little, nine little kitties, 10 little kitties. Okay, did you do it? Did you count with me? Okay, this one's a little harder. We're going to count backwards, okay? 10 little, 9 little, 8 little kitties, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little kitties, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little kitties, 1 little kitty. Okay, you've done it both ways. Let's do it one more time so we can practice counting, okay? Here we go. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little kitties, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little kitties, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little kitties, 10 little kitties. Okay, ready? Now backwards. Here we go. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little kitties, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little kitties. Okay, good singing, everybody. Thank you for spending story time with me today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone.